The book that made me suffer the most was actually my last book. It was Imperial Bedrooms, which was a book I had not planned on writing, really, but I was going through a very terrible period of my life, and a lot of what was going on in my life, I realized that I needed to somehow express myself, and I began to write about what was happening to me at this particular time. And it was Imperial Bedrooms, and it's a very, very short book, but it took me about 3 years to complete, and I don't know how good the book is, but I needed to write it. It was an exorcism, and it was not pleasant at all. In fact, it was a very unpleasant book to write, and I was just very angry, and I was very depressed. And when I look through that book, I just remember those years. It was like 05, 06, 07, 08. And it was just a bad time in my life, and but in order to try to work my way out of that, I had to write that book, and it was not a happy experience. That was by far, there's none of them even come close. The others were joyous to write. I enjoyed writing them a lot. That book I did not.